Right, so two in one day. This is another seat that I got for my children. Um, this is a no idea what it is. It's a 3-point belt and isofix connector. It's a booster seat, so it has the isofix bars. Um, and I think it's Lottas. I think Lottas. No idea. But yeah, let's see how we take these off. So I can see here. No, let me bring it closer. So here, so I think these are called security Torx screws. So we'll take this off, the arms, and then we'll take the textile off, and yeah, we can put it in the washing machine, and then we can clean also the base, the plastic base. So let me do that. So I have here a Torx, security Torx. So long screw, but easy to, they're not very tight. So we have two on this side. Let's see if they're the same size. Yeah, they're the same size. So we have two on this side, and we have two on the other side. So here, okay, they're the same size, so that's good. So one arm is off. Yeah, one arm is off. It's screwed directly into that plastic. But anyway, this is very simple. Yeah. We'll put it aside, and then we'll take the other arm rest off. Two. And on the other side, we put them so you can see them. Another two. Right, the other armrest is off. Definitely could be a better material. So now just take this off and we're done. And yeah, you can see this is done as well. All good. Right, I can see here, if you want to take the isofix latches out, you have nuts here that you need to take out, and that will take out the isofix latches. All right, I'll come back to show you one last thing. Hello, this is probably going to be another short video. I'm going to show you how to take off this cover so you can clean it. You can clean the base and you can clean also the textile. This is a Graco booster seat. So if you see here, there's some clips that hold in some prongs that hold in the textile. So you just remove it like this. Yep, this one as well. Yep. So you take it off like this. Yeah. And at the back we have two as well. And you see here, so one, and then the other one, and you're done. And now you can clean the plastic, the base, and you can also clean this. As you can see, this is pretty dirty. So yeah. Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna take the covers of this Britax roamer seat, child seat, so we can wash them. So we're gonna start with this, with the top. So I'm gonna take out this one first, which comes off easily. There's no clips, no. I'm gonna move this one. I'm gonna move it up because it has these clips at the top, so I can release the clips. And that's off. Okay. Right, next I'm gonna try and remove this. So these have some clips, and then you just take this off like this. Yeah. And we need to see where these are held in place. I think we will need to take these plastic clips off first to find out where they are. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go and get something to pry them on. Right, so I brought this, which is car prying, plastic prying tool. So here there is a small cap. So if you insert this tool, you have a cap like this, and then you have two screws, Phillips screws. So I've bought a Phillips screwdriver to take them off. That's a long screw for a plastic, but that's fine. I guess it's the quality of the build. Right, so I've taken off this. Oh, and you can see here we're just held in place. So you have a metal bracket and the plastic, and they go in like this, and it's held, it's also holding up this. So that's how you do it. So let's do it on the other side as well. So we'll put the prying tool in. be careful if you're trying to do this. Be careful you don't damage it when you're prying it out. Right, so one screw. Second screw. Let's see how it's held in place. Okay, kind of tells me that it's held in place on this side. I think it's on the inboard side. And then, so this, all of this should be out. Like this and like this. And now, so these ones are just clips, and here this webbing is just held in place. So this webbing is held in place like this. So it has a latch. So we're gonna fit the whole latch through the hole. I don't think there is another way of doing it. Let me see. Maybe there is. 1 second. This is the top tether webbing. So don't think there is. I think we need to just push this through. Like this. You need to fiddle around a little bit. It's not that easy, but see, we got it out. Remembering that this was on the left side, sorry, the right side when you're looking at the back of the seat. Yeah, we're gonna do the same on this side. See, so I'm just pushing the plate horizontally through the gap and then pulling on the webbing. And it went through. And that's it, basically. So we've now taken out everything that needs to go in the washing machine so we can clean the fabric. And then, yeah, we're gonna use probably our vacuum to clean everything else. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you. Right, so before we finish this video, what I wanted to share with you is, so the material that this one is made of. So this is the Graco. So the Graco is 80% polyester and 20% polypropylene, and it says wash in 30 degrees water, okay, and no ironing. No, what I usually do, I just put a little bit of detergent and wash it at 30 degrees and no I think it's called no or very low spin of the tumbler. Okay, and this one, and I found out what the name is called Lottas, sorry, baby car seat. Um, this one also says 30 degrees, no tumble dryer, and no ironing. So what I do after I wash them, I just hang them out somewhere to dry, and that would be it. So hope this helps you. We've done we've done two in just one go. Um, Actually, I think I'm gonna put three of them because there is also the other one. Um, so yeah, hopefully this helps, and see you in the next one. Bye.